Okay, this is a tutorial on how to forward your ports and host a server in Minecraft, beta 1.8.1. If you have a Mac or Linux, I can't help you, so you're going to have to look at another video. First, you're going to want to go to the Minecraft website, minecraft.net. You're going to want to go to Downloads, which it says Play Minecraft Beta, then click Download. If you just want to use a standard Minecraft server, download Minecraft server.exe. If you want to do something like change it somehow, I guess, you're going to want to download the .jar, or if you have Mac or Linux. But once again, I can't help you because I don't have a Mac or Linux. So go ahead and download it, then open up your downloads, and then go drag it into a folder. You don't want it to have it just like wherever, like in your downloads, because it's going to make a bunch of files and stuff. In this case, mine's on my desktop. For the sake of the video, I'm going to delete all the logs and stuff, just so I'll show you how it like all appears and stuff. Oh, and I'm hosting my server right now, so I'm going to have to close it. You're going to get a bunch of errors, but that's normal because it needs to make the files again. Default port's 25565. You can change it, but I just recommend using 25565 unless you get some errors or just another application's using it. But that's more than likely what you're going to want to use. I'll show you that in a minute. And so now it's done. If you haven't forwarded your ports, you're going to want to go to your router website. I know it's different for everyone. Mine's Netgear, so I'm going to go to routerlogin.com. If you have another router, I try typing in your local and your public IP address, just hitting in the URL bar. So I know that works for some people, but I'm not sure how accurate that is. I'll try it though. You're going to want to go to port forwarding / port triggering. It's usually under an advanced tab, so you might have to look for it. Might be a little hard to find. Once again, I'm going to delete it just to show you how it's done. Oh, well, I can just edit it. You're going to want to name it Minecraft, TCP, UDP. Once again, I'll just leave it as 25565 for both starting and ending. The server IP address should be the same as your computer's local IP address. You can find that in Netgear's like settings and attached devices. Your computer might not have a name, so you're gonna have to try multiple sometimes. In this case, mine's 1.4 still, so it looks like it should work. After that's done, you're gonna want to open up your Minecraft client. Make sure you have a valid Minecraft account. You can use texture packs on other people's servers, and you can use it on your own server, but it will only appear to you. No one else can see it. In this case, since it's my computer, I'm going to type in localhost, and it should be the same for you. But in case if you want to give your IP address out, which seems reasonable since servers for other people to join and stuff, I'd look on a website like See My IP. My IP address is 67.1.86.1.834. You're going to want to give that out to anybody that wants to join your server. If you have a custom port, you're going to want to put a colon on the end of the 4. And then put your custom port right here. If everything's going well, it should say, the bar should be green. Although sometimes you can connect to your own server and some other people can't, so you want someone to test it first. Someone you can talk to. Or people might not be able to join. So it's always good to have someone else test it from another area. And that's how it's done. You're going to want to wait for a little bit, so you can get some chat lag and some in-game lag. So you're going to want to wait for the world to generate and stuff. And now, in case you want to change some of your settings, world would be, that's the name of your game. You don't really need to change that since no one can really see it. Banned IPs, you can ban specific IPs, or you can ban players' names, the ones that they use in game. This is a server. OPs is like admins. They can control a server, like change it from day to night, from night to day. Can make other people admins. I wouldn't really trust random people because you can also close the server. Well, actually, I don't know if that's true. I think the host can only do that, but I think they can still mess up some stuff and spawn items. In server properties, you don't want to open up the text file, but you want to open up the properties file. With Notepad. None of this needs to be changed. You should only change this if you changed your... Well, you should only change the level name if you changed your folder name. Nether should be true if you want people to build gates to the nether, but it usually adds some more lag. View distance, you should keep that at 10, just for the sake of compatibility. Because some people don't have supercomputers like you do. Or maybe you don't, but... Spawn monsters should be true if you want monsters, false if you want to decrease the lag. Same with spawn animals. Difficulty can either be 0 or 1, maybe 2 and 3, but I think 1's easy. The point is, if you leave it to 0, no one will get hurt. I'm not sure what game mode is. And max players should be only set to the amount of people who want to join. Online mode, you want to keep that true, just so random people can't connect to your server. But you might want to change it to false, just in case like someone's using hacked Minecraft account, although I wouldn't recommend it. PvP true is if you want to like hurt your friends, I guess. But if you want to do that, you want to change difficulty 1, or else it will spawn life. Level seed. If you have like a certain seed, a certain world that has a seed, you can use it, I guess, but I'm not sure how that works, like how I can find out your world seeds and stuff. Server port should be the same as your ports forwarded into your router. And you can erase it too, it would just be default. Same with IP, and I wouldn't touch IP, just because it's already automatically connects to it. Whitelist. Whitelist is just specific people that can join. Like, for example, you have a whitelist folder in your server folder. You can add only specific IPs or specific usernames, so only those people can join your server. And MOTD. Not exactly sure what that is. I think it's just a description. And that's it.